Hey, this is Hutch Morrone out of the Atlanta region with KW. I'm an agent like you, and this is Command Tech Enabled Culture Driven, where we talk about all things command. Um, I'm going to give you 5 minutes on command where we do this together. And my hope is that then you take 5-10 minutes afterward and practice what you just learned. So I want you to log into command. And I want you to go along the left here and go down to Smart Plans. I want you to click on Smart Plans. This video is about developing custom smart plans. The last video we went over how we go into the library up here, how we choose to add a smart plan to My Smart Plans, and then how we can add people to it in bulk by doing the add contact, how we can edit it, okay, and how we can see who's on it. So today we're going to go up here to create, and we're going to create a custom smart plan. As I mentioned on the last video on this topic, categories, we don't have any choices yet, but they will include opportunities, for example, referral plans, those sorts of things, listings. There'll be trigger events that we'll be able to add. For example, new lead open house tag, and I can develop a custom smart plan just for people I met at open houses. So when I hit apply, it is going to create Hutch test custom smart plan. Now I have to add things that are going to happen. So let's say I want to make a smart plan. I don't like the fact that we only have a 90-day call plan. What if I want to call people every 30 days? What do I do? So make a call. So double click on that and it tells me to make a, added it twice. Let me go ahead and delete that one. We don't need to need to be reminded twice. So step number one, make a call. See, it says day one up here. And so I'm going to add call. Now, who do I call? First name, last name. Now I know. Call Hutch Morrone every 30 days. This way, this is kind of a reminder to me that this is my 30-day plan, right? That I'm touching by phone this person every 30 days. The reason I would use something like this, quite frankly, is if I know somebody's 2, 3, 4 months out from making a move in housing, I'm going to reach out to them quite a bit. So I might have a step like this where I'm calling them every 30 days. And, you know, you can put a description in here or not. For me, call Hutch Morrone every 30 days. That's good enough for me. I don't really need anything else. So do in how many days? This phone call you're supposed to make is going to show up on your task list. So do you want to show it up? Do you want it showing up the day it's due, or do you want it to show up a day ahead of time? That's what that due in blank days is all about. Okay. Now, let's say if you want to text them and call them, right? So you can add a text to them too. Now notice this is still day one because we did not put in any delay on this, all right? So if we delete this, we delete step 2 and we put in a delay, okay? So I keep clicking it twice. I'm sorry. It's a single click, guys. And then I can set the delay. Okay, so I set it for 2 days. And then I want to text them. So I click on that one. Now here's the text. See how it happens on day 3? So day 2, we skip. Day 3, there's an automated text from my Twilio account. Static means the same text goes out every time. Looking to speak with you, or something like that. If you make this recurring, so look, see, there's a restart the flow. So that means it's going to start all over again when it's done. And you can set You see here where it says unlimited designates the smart plan as ongoing without end. So you can go ahead and 1 through 5 or 1 through 6. So you can run this for basically 6 months is what we have, because we'll put a pause in here for, wait 30 days. But if it's going to repeat, you might want a dynamic text message, looking to speak with you, and something else, so that this way they get a variety of texts, not always the same one. So again, that's 5 minutes. I know that's not a lot of time on something like this, but I think you guys, generally get the gist. And of course, I'm always looking forward to seeing you in a workshop where we will go into this in a little greater detail and get your questions answered. Look forward to seeing you and talking to you in the near future. And this was 5 Minutes on Command.